Hi, my name is Karen Barnes and I'm here today on behalf of the Interflora Floristry Trade Club. And look how gorgeous this fabulous spring bouquet is.
If you're really interested and you would like to see some more inspiration, like, share and subscribe. And for a discount off the Floristry Trade Club membership, look at the link below in the description.
So today I've made this beautiful spring hand-tied bouquet, and I just want to talk about the materials that I've chosen and selected to make this bouquet. I've got quintessential English spring flowers. I've got the pussy willow, the salix, which is just perfect. It's a gorgeous colour. It's got that sort of peachy look as well as being white. It dries perfectly and it's very pliable as well. If it's not hydrated, you can use it in all sorts of ways. Watch this space to see another design using the pussy willow. And then I've got gorgeous Narcissi. It's a spray Narcissi. If I just show it to the camera, you can see it's an ivory with a little lemon centre. It's a trumpet flower, but it's a spray and it has the most gorgeous fragrance. It's a variety that I've never used before. It's called Avalanche, and it's just very pretty, and obviously it just says spring. I've got Grevillea, gorgeous variety of Grevillea. This Grevillea is called Corella. I love using Grevillea all year round. I think this variety is just super because it dries naturally. It has that sort of woodland ethereal look to it, and I think for the spring trends it just works fabulously. It's quite light, but it has lots of texture to it. I've got the Lavender Lisianthus, which we all love Lisianthus, and then I've got a variety of roses. I've got Sweet Avalanche, and I've got a gorgeous very pale peach which you can see nestled in the bouquet, and that's called Trinity. I've hand tied the bouquet and it's almost got like a trending asymmetrical look to it. So if I just very carefully turn it round and have a look, you can see that it's not like a dome shape, and it has got the longer stems to give it that more structured, textured look. I've used a beautiful baby blue craft paper, and it just lends itself to the spring trends, which is all about pastel shades. And then I have this gorgeous, it's almost like a fabric, it's like a cotton sisal, and it comes in sheets just like this, in all sorts of colours, and it's just really easy to work with. And I've just literally scrunched it so that it's just popped into the tying point there, so it is part of the bouquet. And then after wrapping the flowers so it's got a hydration bubble, I've got this gorgeous baby blue velvet ribbon. Velvet ribbon is very on trend. It has been for some time and I can't see it going anywhere. It has that luxurious feel to it, but not only visibly but actually, you know, physically as a texture. So I would recommend that, you know, where you can, use velvet ribbon because customers love it. So there we go. We've got a beautiful spring trending asymmetrical hand-tied bouquet.
If you're really interested and you would like to see some more inspiration, like, share and subscribe. And for a discount off the Floristry Trade Club membership, look at the link below in the description.